Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on Samsung Galaxy A34. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is at the top of the screen, that's a phone call speaker. Next one is at the bottom, and that's a main speaker right here. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from both of the sources, and that means this phone does have the stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.